25. You guys, we are in the home stretch. Okay, less than a week left of vlogging. But I am currently on my way home. The time is now 12:30. I did have a doctor's appointment today, and I stopped and got me some lunch, which of course is Wingstop, and now I'm headed home, and I'm getting ready to get products ready to take to the store that Sincerely Legenia Spice Blends will be in, so I'm excited about that. So, been a busy morning. Been a busy morning. After I do that, I have several other things I need to do. I forgot to tell you guys yesterday, I still did not make my TikTok video. So I'm hoping I can squeeze that in today. I mean, it's just keto cornbread. It's such an easy recipe. It takes about a good 20 or so minutes to prepare, but I'm going to try to squeeze that in before I head out today, so we'll see what happens. But right now, I got my Wingstop. I'm going to go home, get me something to eat because my head is hurting. I have not eaten all day. All I've had was water. And yeah, I'm going to get some food and invite you guys to come join me for this Vlogtober day number 25. All right, everybody, so here is my lunch. Got my Louisiana rub and my Cajun style wings. Rico and I are sitting watching television. Y'all, have y'all watched You on Netflix? This show is a trip, okay? Anyway, this is what I'm eating, and I think I'm gonna finish trying to watch this. We'll see what happens. Hey everybody, I am now on my way to Drug Emporium, getting ready to drop off an order of spices. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I'm just elated. Okay, this is the first of many deliveries that I'll be making. Pretty soon we're gonna have trucks and stuff making these deliveries, right? I put it in the atmosphere in Jesus' name. But anyway, I'm excited, I'm thrilled, and I'm so glad that you guys are sharing this experience with me. So I've just dropped my first order of Sincerely Legenia all-purpose spice blends off at Drug Emporium, and I'll be in probably tomorrow or the next day to see if they've worked it within their shelving, and which should be this week. So as soon as it's on the shelf, I'm taking a picture. I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna let you guys see. So I'm so excited. Oh, so thrilled about that. I'll probably be in there tomorrow first thing to see if they've worked it in yet. But right now I am picking up Angelina from school, and that's about it. Then she and I are gonna head back to the house. I started washing this morning. I completely forgot that I had our sheets and comforter and things in the washing machine. When I got home to eat my lunch, I didn't take anything out. I totally forgot. So I'm gonna go home and put our clean, fresh sheets on the bed. And is anybody else out there like that? I love clean, fresh sheets on my bed. It makes for a great night's sleep, and I just absolutely love it. So I cannot wait to get comfortable later on tonight in my clean, fresh sheets. I just love it when they're freshly washed. If you're like that, let me know. Let me know, guys. Also, I want a brand new white comforter. I bought one from Macy's. It was like on sale for a really good price, but I have worn it out and it's like started to tear apart on the end. So I want to get a brand new comforter, but I am loving the white. I don't know why. The white, it looks so pretty. It's so plush and just so comfy. And so I want another one, but I want one that's, a little better built. It's better quality. Let me put it that way. I want one that's better quality. So if you guys know of any just plush, comfortable white comforters that I can get or where I can get them from, let me know. Leave in the comments below where I could, possibly get that comforter that I'm looking for. But anyway, here comes my daughter. She's getting in the car.
I was expecting to look up and see that.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, everybody, so I am just now putting my TikTok cornbread in the oven. I'm calling my TikTok cornbread, but my keto cornbread that I made for a TikTok video. I'm just now putting it in the oven. And so I thought I'd show you guys my little setup that I have here. I'm trying to, not only for my TikTok videos, but also for my YouTube videos, I'm trying to improve on my lighting. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out, my husband is going to do for me, is switch out the lighting in my kitchen even. We're going to change them to daylight light bulbs. I would like for the kitchen to be a little bit brighter because the lights that we have in here are mostly a little bit yellow tinted, and I think that's just because that's like the old fashioned type lighting, but now they have the new daylight bulbs, so we're definitely switching to those. But for my setup for the TikTok video, I've got my ring light here. I've also got this one. I just turned it off. Let me turn it back on so you guys can see. I also use this light here, and then, can you guys see? And then I have this light here. And it seems to be working really well. So I turn off the lights up here. So what I had thought to do while I was doing this and getting my setup, I thought it might be interesting, maybe if you guys see what all I go through to get a cooking video out to you guys. So if you all are interested in possibly seeing how I set up for my YouTube cooking videos, if you're interested in seeing like the whole process, let me know and I'll do a video on just that only. But only if you guys want to see it, because I'm going to have to definitely get some help in here to do that. Somebody's going to have to actually film me filming the video. So let me know if you're interested in the comments below and I will get that together for you guys. It is a lot of work, but it's so fun. I enjoy it, and I definitely enjoy when I get responses from you guys. So thank you guys so much for making all of the hard work well worth it.
Not gonna have that time.
All right, everybody, the TikTok video is finished, and I just opened the mail and got our calendar out. Every year my aunt does a family calendar, and I love it. I think it is so neat. So these are like these are just a few of my cousins, okay, not even all of my cousins, but the calendar always has our name right here, the family name right here, and each month has the picture, our picture, and it also has a cupcake next to each person's birthday. So like you guys see my picture here, and my birthday is January 3rd, and so she does that for every month. And I just think this is so neat. You see Angelina's picture there. Her birthday is February 17th. I think this is so neat and so lovely. So she does this every year. I think we skipped the year 2020, but other than that, she's been doing this for quite a few years, and I love it. It just helps keep us accountable. We should all know each other's birthdays now. There's no reason why we shouldn't. But yeah, I think this is just so neat. And also this year we got a little keychain as well with our family name right here. And I thought that was really neat too. So thank you, Aunt Cynthia. I love the calendar this year, and I definitely love the keychain. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I have got my tea right now, and I have showered. I am ready to get in the bed, edit this video, get it posted for you guys tonight, and get some rest. Guys, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'm going to talk to you all tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.